name's Kathy Jarvis and welcome to my channel. And if you have been on here before, you know that I am in the middle of doing a decluttering segment. And I plan on decluttering most of this year. And this week I'm working on the lower cabinets. And remember I said I only take about 15 minutes a day to clean. So basically what I've done with this top drawer here is this is all of the canned goods and stuff I have for 2021. There's a little bit more in that drawer cabinet over there. But what I've done is I've organized it. I took everything out, cleaned the drawer good, and then I organized everything so that I go this way, use this stuff up first. I marked on the top of the items, like when they're supposed to be used, like this is supposed to be used by July. That way I can just glance down and say, oh, I've got to use these cranberries up before March. So that helps me to keep my produce packages, or whatever you want to call them, so I don't waste them, so I use them in a timely order. And the next shelf I'm going to work on is the baking shelf. And it's also got all my teas and my coffees and my cake mixes and my flours, my sugar. All this is still good because I just used it for the Christmas cookies. But what I need to do is take everything out and clean the bottom of the shelf and make sure it's not got any loose flour or loose sugar that's going to attract bugs. So I'll do that. And this bottom one is my baking pans, and as you can tell, it needs to be reorganized because it won't even come out unless I press down on it. So I need to restack these and get them taken care of. And then we'll move over to this side. Over here, I have food storage containers that I need to go through. This is my waste recycling. I have paper, cans, and glass. So it's pretty well organized. Here's more canned goods. Again, it's organized from first to use what's in front first and go to the back. All my 2022 is in the cupboard, and I'll bring those out as I need them. I already cleaned underneath the sink. It's done. And then that leaves these over here, which I haven't even touched yet. And it's small appliances. And here's picnic stuff. So I've got those will be the worst ones to go through. So that's what I've got planned for this week. Okay, as you can tell, we've got all of this cleaned out. We got the second drawer clean. It's all nice and everything is up to date. You notice I got markings on the top as to when these are open or when they have to be used by. My bottom shelf now slides out without any problem. My stove is for storage only underneath them. Some of them are for warming food, but mine definitely said it was for storage. So I've got it all nice and neat. And I got this area. These are the second half of the year for 2021 canned goods. Once I use those over there, I'll transfer them over here. And I actually found room for my carrots and my potatoes, onions and potatoes, which are
what this originally was supposed to be made for. So I still have that one to finish and those over there to finish. But I've got the rest of the week yet. So we're making progress.
I'll also be taking down the rest of the Christmas decorations and taking those in the basement and packing them away. So it's going to be a busy week, and I hope you are following along. I hope you're decluttering as well. And let me know if you find it as refreshing as I do to walk in and not have to see a mess and not have to pick everything up just to dust. To me, it's so much simpler to walk into my kitchen, see it pretty, open that cabinet door, know I need to use this stuff up today or this month, this is next month's. It kind of helps organize things and makes it easier to fix food and stuff. So hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm hoping you'll subscribe to the channel, see what I'm up to next. Hit the bell icon so you know when I'm on, and give it a thumbs up. And remember, dream big and follow your dream. Bye.